Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows Start menu not working issue. A frozen, unresponsive or completely missing Windows Start menu is classic glitch that usually happen when the desktop shell interface. So let's see how to fix this one. First you need to restart Windows Explorer by just press on Ctrl Shift and ESC on your keyboard, or else you can right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager. Okay, if you see the view, you can scroll down until you find Windows Explorer option. Okay, it is right here. Just tap on it, tap on restart option. Second method is restart the start menu process directly. Again you need to go to the taskbar, Task Manager like this, click over the details tab like this, scroll through the alphabetical list to find start menu experience host.exe. Scroll down. Okay, you can see it is right here, start menu experience host.exe. Select that one, then after tap on end task in the right bottom corner. Then Windows will be instantly relaunch the service. Give it few seconds to test your start menu, then issue will be fixed. And the third method is re-register the start menu via PowerShell. So first you need to open Task Manager, just simply right click on it, go to Task Manager, click on the top left corner, select Run New Task option. You need to type PowerShell. Tap on OK. You need to copy this command exactly into the PowerShell menu. Get -appx package space -all users space -, space for each space bracket add -appx package space -disable development mode space -register space and this $sign and bracket $sign underscore dot installation, close the bracket, \appx manifest.xml and colon and bracket. Then after hit enter. Once the prompt goes back to the blank line, restart your computer. And the next method is run SFC and DISM repairs. So first again you need to open Task Manager by right click on the taskbar, go to Files option, tap on Run New Task, tick the create this task with the administrative privileges, type in this time CMD, tap on OK. Okay, now you need to type capital DISM.exe like this space /online capital O space / capital C cleanup capital I, not simple I, image space / restore health and hit enter. Once that finished successfully, you need to type this command again, sfc space / scan now and hit enter. It will take some time. When it hit the 100%, close and restart your computer. And the fifth method is check for corrupted user files. So again you need to go to right click on the Task Manager, go to the files, turn new task. You need to type net user, your test password space / add. This will create test temporary user profile. Just tap on it. Then after you can press Ctrl Alt and Delete key, then sign out of your account and sign into new test account that we just created. If the start menu works flawlessly there, your original Windows user profile is corrupted and you should migrate your personal files over the fresh user profile. So this is how you can fix this issue.